Mechatronics subject MCQ, multi-choice questions and answer. The question may be asked here, where and when was the word mechatronics invented? Option A, Japan, 1960. Option B, Japan, 1980. Option C, Europe, 1960. And D, Europe, 1980. Now we will see the answer. Answer is A, Japan at the year of 1960. So the word mechatronics was first used in the Japan in the late year 1960s. The spread through Europe and now commonly used in all other part of the world. In the 1980, there was a versatile explosion in the microprocessor based project. Question 2. The servo motor is typical example of, there are four options: electronic systems, mechanical systems, computer systems and mechatronic systems. So now we'll see the answer here. D, that means mechatronics. The servo motor is a typical example of mechatronic system. It is the motors with sensory feedback and it is used for operating very complex and precise option. Now the answer of this is D. Now question 3. What is the function of input signal conditioning unit? There are four options. First is to reduce the control signal, to produce the control signal. B, to amplify the signals and convert it into the digital form. And C, to perform the mechanical work. And D, to produce the electrical signal. The answer of this question is to amplify the signals and convert it into the digital form. Because signal conditioning input is always analog and it must be converted into the digital. So that's why, as well as it should be amplify the weak signal which are getting from the sensor and transistor. So here answer is B. Input signal device amplify the signals, convert them into the digital form. Now the next question, the main function of actuator is, option are 4. To produce the motion, to detect the input, detect the output, detect the state of the system. अभी जो फंक्शन है एक्चुएटर का वो क्या रहेगा? डेफिनेटली इट इज़ प्रोड्यूस द मोशंस. वो एक्चुएटर एक ऐसा एक मैकेनिकल पार्ट है, वो प्रोड्यूस करता है मैकेनिकल मोशन को. वो डिटेक्ट नहीं करता बिकॉज वो इट इज़ नॉट सेंसर. वो डिटेक्ट आउटपुट भी नहीं करता, डिटेक्ट इनपुट भी नहीं करता, डिटेक्ट द स्टेट ऑफ द सिस्टम भी नहीं करता. वो क्या है, जस्ट प्रोड्यूस द मोशंस. दैट मीन्स कन्वर्ट electrical signals into the mechanical. Next example of stand alone system is, option are 4. Option A, machine center. Option B, washing machine. Option C, robots for part handling. And D, automatic inspection stations. तो स्टैंड अलोन सिस्टम बेसिकली कौन से सिस्टम रहती है कि वो स्टैंड अलोन है. स्टैंड अलोन मीन्स उसका सिंगल फंक्शन है, वो उसके लिए ही यूज़ होता है. ठीक है, जैसे वॉशिंग मशीन का वर्क एक ही रहता है. वॉशिंग का जो वर्क है आपको पता है, वो वी कैन चेंज, वी कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू द रेफ्रिजरेटर्स. सो robots for part handling, robots of part handling, वो robots, one robots can be used for multi-purpose. Automatic inspection stations, robot जो रहता है, स्टेशन जो रहता है, वो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के जो इंस्पेक्शन रहते हैं उसको हम ऑटोमेट करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो मशीन सेंटर्स इट इज़ द कॉमन फॉर एवरी सेंटर. तो यहाँ पे स्टैंड अलोन सिस्टम का एग्जांपल है washing machine. Which among the following carry out the overall control of the system? There are the four options. graphical display, sensor, actuators and digital control. Overall control of the system. Definitely digital control. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? डिजिटल कंट्रोल. Let's we will check. Answer is D. Next, what is the feedback generated by the sensor in the mechatronics system given? Input sensor, comparators, mechanical actuators and output sensor. यहाँ पे द फीडबैक जनरेट होता है सेंसर का इन द मैकेनिकल सिस्टम में, वो करता है कंपैरेटर. What are the transistors? There are the 4 options. They convert the power from one form to another. It can't convert the power, any kind of the power. B है, they convert the work from one form to another. It can't convert into the one form of another. C है, they convert work to power. No, this is not the option. B, they convert the energy from one form to another. Definitely it's convert the one form of energy into the another form of energy. Let's will say the answer D. So transistors are devices that convert the energy from one form to another. What type of energy conversions does a piezoelectric transistor perform? Option A is convert the mechanical energy to sound energy. Option B is convert the sound energy to mechanical energy. Option C is convert the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. Option D is convert the electrical energy to the mechanical energy. So अगर आपको इसका आंसर पता है तो कमेंट्स में लिख के बताइए. Answer is C. Is convert the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. Tyranny gauge is an example of which type of transistors? Option A, pressure transistors. Yes, the answer is first. So कोई भी गेज जो रहता है वो प्रेशर ट्रांजिस्टर जैसा ही वर्क होता है, नॉट ए टेम्परेचर सेंसर और लाइट ट्रांजिस्टर, मैकेनिकल ट्रांजिस्टर. नेक्स्ट, what is the range of frequency of the waves produced by the ultrasonic transistors? Option A, 20 kHz to several gigahertz. Option B, 1 kHz to several gigahertz. Option C, 40 kHz to several megahertz. And D, less than 20 kHz. तो अल्ट्रासोनिक ट्रांजिस्टर जो प्रोड्यूस करता है फ्रीक्वेंसी, इट इज़ 20 kHz टू सेवरल गीगाहर्ट्ज. वो स्टार्ट होता है 20 kHz का ही फ्रीक्वेंसी वो इंट्रोड्यूस करता है एंड ऑनवर्ड्स. सो व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एलवीडीटी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट ट्रांजिस्टर्स? सो ऑप्शन ए, लीनियर वेरिएबल डिफरेंशियल टेम्परेचर. ऑप्शन बी, लीनियर वेरिएबल डिफरेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर. ऑप्शन सी, लिक्विड विजिबल डिफरेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर. ऑप्शन डी, लिक्विड डिस्प्ले विजिबल डिफरेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर. Answer is B, linear variable differential transformer. What is the effect of property of LDR when lights fall on it? Option is B, is its resistance change. Definitely जब LDR पे lights fall होता है तो उसका resistance change हो जाता है, ना कि कैपेसिटर इंडक्टर रेजिस्टेंस रिमेन होता है. We can say resistance of LDRs depends upon the lights. What is the measured by the Hall effect transistors? What is the measured by the Hall effect transistor? ये electric flux. No. electric flux कौन जनरेट यहाँ पे चेक करता है? which sensor? flux sensor it is measured. B, electric field. C, magnetic field. And D is temperature. So the Hall effect basically it is the transistors which is measured by the magnetic fields. It is only measured by the magnetic field. That means answer is C. In which state of the chemical substance does the mechanical sensing device work? Solid, liquid, vapors and plasma. The answer is C.